Breathe air and boost efficiency with PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning, delivering HVAC maintenance that reduces energy costs, prevents breakdowns, and keeps your system running strong year-round. Stop dust buildup, allergens, and uneven temperatures before they escalate. Our thorough inspections and cleaning improve airflow, extend equipment life, and protect comfort. Choose proactive service today to avoid costly repairs and maximize performance with consistent, dependable indoor air quality. Contact us today to schedule your free consultation. Are you looking for a HVAC maintenance service near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning. What is HVAC maintenance? HVAC maintenance is regular service, inspection, cleaning, and tune-up of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems to ensure efficiency, airflow, performance, and reliable indoor comfort. Why is regular HVAC maintenance important? Regular HVAC maintenance improves efficiency, reduces energy costs, prevents repair issues, extends equipment lifespan, enhances indoor air quality, and ensures consistent heating and cooling performance throughout the year. What is the service area for your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania location? Our HVAC maintenance service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Swarthmore, Media, Glen Riddle, Brookhaven, Upland, Parkside, Village Green, Lima, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Glenolden, Fulcroft, Leicester, Morton, Wallingford, Moylan, and Elwyn, Pennsylvania. Where is your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania HVAC maintenance service office located? We are located at 630 Fairview Road, number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Swarthmore.